Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Plug the controller directly into your PC with a known good USB cable or enable Bluetooth pairing from Windows settings. Make sure Warzone is closed so profiles reset correctly. If you use a wireless dongle, insert it before launching drivers. This avoids device conflicts. Once connected, open Device Manager and verify the controller appears under Xbox or Human Interface Devices. This confirms hardware is recognized and lets you move to software adjustments. Now focus on drivers and input mapping. Update drivers in Device Manager or uninstall and reinstall the controller to force Windows to load the correct driver. Then launch Steam, if applicable, and disable Steam input for Warzone, because Steam mappings often conflict with the game. Next, open Warzone's controller settings, select the appropriate profile, and calibrate dead zones, sensitivity, and trigger thresholds. Calibrating prevents drift and missed inputs, so test aiming and movement in a private match before proceeding. Finish by restarting your PC to ensure driver and setting changes take effect, then open Warzone and verify controller input in a private match. If certain buttons remain unresponsive, remap them inside the game and save a custom profile so your layout persists. Make sure to test aim, sprint, and reload actions specifically. If problems persist, swap USB ports or cables, and, if possible, test a second controller to determine whether the fault is hardware or software. This single test often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.